And today we are very excited about the new member of the family, the Chimp from Grilla Grills. We did get the jerky rack, multi-purpose jerky rack, which basically gives you more shelves in there. And she also got us the Pimp Your Chimp. Yeah. And that, as we get to each part, we'll show it to you. But one of the things that comes with on that is for the side skirt for the smokestack, you get a plate, says Chimp on it. We did get the front shelf with the Chimp. All right, now we're getting to the main part. So let's see the Chimp. One of the exciting things about this is the fact that the legs are already on there. Like I said, they fold up underneath it, but it does have little feet to where you can put it in the back of a truck or something just like it is. All right, our next step is we're gonna unfold the legs so we can get this Chimp up off the ground. So like I said, the neat thing, you got the little feet on the bottom here that you could just put it on the tailgate, set it on a table, whatever. All right, so now we're gonna pop our legs out on here. Just got the release button right there, push it all the way in. There we go for that side. All right, so now we'll get the other side. And this side has wheels on it. And there it is. I tell you already I like it, because in reality, this bad boy is basically put together besides putting the handles on it and putting my Chimp on there. So the Chimp is put together as far as the basic part. All you gotta do is put it on. Take the plastic off of the grates inside, put it back in after you clean them, attach your handle here on the front, attach your handle on the side. Now I got the Pimp Your Chimp accessories on, which included the smokestack on the side. You just take off that handle, put it back on with the smokestack on there. And then also on the back, you can't see it right now, but I'll take a picture of it and show you. It was a attachment to wind your cord up so you can have your cord back there. Now, I'm gonna put it on the front shelf. All right, so we got the shelf on. Folds down real nicely. Folds up, just locks in place. By far the easiest grill I've ever put together. We did our first big piece of meat on the Chimp, the corned beef brisket that we did. Turned out great. Again, if you want a small grill that is portable, but then can still take care of your needs, you need to get the Chimp. I love the branding on the Chimp.
So a couple things that we do really love about this that are different from the other pellet grills that we have owned is the drip pan.
Oh yes, yeah, the drip pan. Now I know, I mean, we haven't seen the silverback or anything in person, but it looks like it on the videos the same way. The drip pan on this definitely has more of an angle than on any other pellet grill we've seen. So the stuff really drips down and off and out and into your drip pan for just about all of it. It's got a better angle. I noticed that right off the bat. And again, in the videos, it looks like the silverback, which is the bigger grill smoker, is done the same way. And I love that about it. And
the double insulated or the
right.
double walled.
It's double walled insulated, which it's going to help out better in colder But one of the things that, even though we're in Florida and it's obviously warmer, I like that idea just for the fact that it could hold the heat, the smoke, and everything in there better with the double walled, even though we're in a warmer climate. And so far, I would say it's definitely doing its job. But yes, we are very pleased with our Chimp. But if you're looking for a smoker, a pellet smoker, I would highly recommend Grilla Grills.
Definitely.
Yeah. So, hey, if you need a grill, you want a smoker, go to grillagrills.com, look at what they got, and get going, because everything's better together.